Welcome to Bourda Global. This mall is one of the hotspots in Georgetown, Guyana that I recently visited. I was so excited to finally see and had the chance to eat tropical fruits from Guyana such as star apple, sapodilla, awara, sugar apple, golden apple, and soursop that I haven't seen since I came to the United States over 30 years ago. What if I tell you that I have a solution that will make it possible for you to view and purchase all those tropical fruits that I saw? It is also possible for you to buy jewelry made of the famous Guyana gold. You can also purchase local travel packages to visit exotic vacation locations in Guyana. Bourda Global is an online website and app where customers living in the United States can purchase products or services from businesses located anywhere in Guyana. Bourda Global create an online marketplace that would bridge the gap between Guyanese-owned businesses and consumers living in the United States and Guyana-owned businesses and consumers residing in Guyana to trade goods and services unique to their culture. For example, as you can see here, are tropical fruits from Guyana. Bourda Global will enter a joint venture with the government of Guyana. It will seek funding and endorsement from celebrities and professional athletes of the Guyanese descent. It will invest in building a strong and sustainable distribution system to move goods from the distribution center to the airport. It will establish partnership with land and air freight businesses. Bourda Global business model entails a plan to charge a fee to users at different levels, an annual estimated revenue $650,000. A plan to charge businesses advertising fees for advertising on its website or app. The annual revenue estimate $3 million. Bourda Global will have business to consumers and business to business. The business to consumers will allow businesses to offer products and services to consumers for a fee, and it will allow business to offer products and services to businesses for a fee. In summary, I'm seeking an initial investment of $5.5 million from angel investors, celebrities, and professional athletes, preferably no more than 15 individuals, including yourself. The initial investment will be used to build our website, to build a state-of-the-art distribution center, and to fund a marketing campaign. Thank you for your time and listening to my pitch. Is there anything else you would like for me to provide you? If you're fine with the plan that I have presented to you, you can commit at this time to become part of the initial investment round. If you need additional time, please let me know when I could follow up with you in a Zoom meeting.